And from the parade to live fireworks over Bristol, these are the skies of Bristol right now. They are lighting up in all kinds of colors. Special thanks to Keith Roberts and Mike Lucas and Ricky, of course, for the help with our parade footage. And they're doing another great job tonight as you're looking live. Now, here's a couple of facts. As you watch the explosions, the red, white, and blue, the company that made this fireworks show tonight, this Pyro Show, they're based in La Follette, Tennessee. Pyro shows have done fireworks for all kinds of countries, including Sweden, Dubai, and Spain. Now, what makes the fireworks different colors are the chemicals they use. Lithium, calcium, magnesium, barium, sodium, and copper. They're all different colors, like orange and blue and green and white. And when you mix them up, you get this beautiful shot from the Sky5 drone high above Bristol, as we can just watch the explosions go on and on. I'm going to shut up for now. Enjoy the fireworks for another minute or so. You're watching live coverage of the Bristol fireworks, courtesy of Sky5 drone. It's a wonderful thing. Some great television there. Special thanks to Ricky Matthews and Keith Roberts piloting the Sky5 drone high above the skies of Bristol tonight. Enjoyed those fireworks, didn't you?